Hi guys, my name is Tatiana. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download a transactions report from your CIBC account. So once you're in your account, go to My Accounts and click on Download Transactions. Here you can choose an account. I will choose my credit card account. Also, you can choose dates for what to download. I will go for 1 year. So basically, I'm going to choose January 1st, 2022 up to December 31st. It's very convenient for tax reasons, and you can also set it for a specific amount of days or months, so it's up to you. Not every bank offers this option, so I really appreciate it in CIBC. There are also a couple of automatic options, all since download or all available or within date range. I will choose all within date range. In terms of file format, you have by default spreadsheet CSV file, which I'm gonna keep. There are also a few other options if you use some kind of software for integration. I don't have them, so I'll keep this one. And then you click on Download Transactions. As you see here in the notes, they remind you that also some transactions are posted later, within 2-3 business days. It really varies from my experience, so keep that in mind if you're doing taxes. And then click on Download Transactions. Here you can choose where to save the file. So I usually have a specific folder where I'm saving the file. I like keeping files consistent in the name, so I'll go to my previous year and choose a similar file for the previous year. And that copies the name of the file. I just have to change the year, and that means for me that it's transactions from my credit card. So now I'm going to also go and do the same procedure for my checking account. I'll keep the dates the same because it's the same financial year. Just downloading transactions. All right, and line of credit in my case. Let's say if specifically you want to look at transactions for a certain month, I'll go back to my credit card. For example, I can see how much I spent in December for the whole month, and I can download also a transaction for that specific month in December. Like this video if it helped you anyhow. Let me know any questions. I'll do my best to answer what I know. Subscribe to my channel and check out my other channels as well. Stay well, and I'll talk to you soon.